Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Steve, and if we're doing this view, that means we are doing an unboxing. Now, it is a very large box, so I have my wide camera lens on. Let me go ahead and give you a backstory of this watch before I unbox it. This is my friend Nick's watch. He's not the biggest watch guy in the world. He usually just sticks with fashion brands and stuff like that. And ever since getting this channel, he's been asking me more and more about watches. And the price range he was looking for, I said, hey, have you looked at Shinola? I know there's a lot of negative press with Shinola, but I said, it's a good brand in terms of quality, and it's going to be something easy. It's going to be a quartz watch for you. So go ahead, take a look at it, see if you like it. It was on sale. So I sent him a link to one of their watches, and he ended up buying it. So it is right here. Let me go ahead and move some things out of the way because, like I said, it is a pretty large box. I'm going to need this in here in a second. Let's move that off to the side. And here it is. So let me go ahead and open this up real fast. Now, I've had one Shinola in my collection so far. I've had the bronze monster, and if you haven't seen that, I'm going to go ahead and post a link right there. It's a very good 300-meter diver. I actually enjoyed it a lot. I don't have it anymore, but when I did have it, I liked it. Okay, so what do we have here? Let's see if this is a message from Shinola. It is. Many thanks. They have a receipt in there. Nice little embossed receipt holder. I did not get all of this packaging when I bought my Shinola, but you have this nice little paper cover, and here it is. Let me pull it out here real quick, and I'll move this box to the side. So this is the 38mm Vinton Smokey Robinson watch. It's a limited edition watch of, I believe, 1,000 pieces. I'll go ahead and try not to damage anything here. Originally, this watch cost, I think, 900. What does that say? $950. But it was on their summer sale for about 400. So that's when I told Nick, hey, jump on that price. Even if you're going to resell this watch, it's going to resell for around that price. Anyways, you're not going to be missing out on anything. So, like I said, it does have that quartz movement. It is assembled in Detroit. It's not made in America, but it is assembled in Detroit, which is good. I like that part of their brand. And like I said before, the build quality of at least their diver is really good. I'm going to see what the build quality of this watch is. So let's open it up and see. So you have a nice little Shinola box here in wood. Does this come down? This does not fold down. Let's see if I can just dig my hands around it. There we go. Nothing else in the box. And this is what you get, a nice hard wood box. No felt on the bottom or anything, but Shinola in Detroit. And here we go. All right. So if you're a big Smokey Robinson fan, which I am not, this is what you're going to get here. So many thanks for purchasing the gift set, yada, yada, yada. This does come with a record, which is really cool. Only takes a minute to register. Not going to be doing that since it's not my watch. So you get a My Girl record, which is really cool. It's a small record. So I don't have a record player to play it, but it is a good little display piece. Looks really nice. Good little talking piece. So let's put that off to the side as well and unveil the watch here. So here it is. So first of all, we have a 45 RPM recorder adapter. I have no idea what that means. Like I said, I'm not a big record guy. Is there anything else in this box aside from the watch? There is not. So let's go ahead, put this back in there, take out the watch, and let's see. Put this off to the side. That looks pretty good. Let's see if I can focus in on here. Yeah, that is nice. Let me go ahead and remove the plastic. And here comes the plastic removal. My favorite part of this entire process. Open. All right. We're going to open this. It's going to be great. I believe in myself, and I believe in my ancestors who probably are looking down on me saying, what are you doing? It is just plastic. Oh God, everyone's gonna be making fun of me so much. Okay, good, got that piece off. Okay, so it is a friction clasp. There is no buttons on it whatsoever. Open this way as well. Oh God, no. You're embarrassing me in front of everyone. Come on, Shinola, I know you want to come off. I know the plastic wants to come off. There it is. There it is. Oh, come on. So close yet so far away. Oh no. I'm having so many technical difficulties right now. The plastic does not want to come off. Really? How did they put that plastic on? It doesn't even make any sense. Is it in the lug? It might be in the lug itself. I think it is. Do I have a lug tool? Oh no. Oh no. Hang on. All right, so I finally got that plastic off, and it was caught in the micro adjustment port. So probably as they were wrapping it up, the plastic was in there. But overall, this watch feels really good. In the first impressions here, I really like that bracelet with the polished center link and the brushed outer links there. It makes it look really nice. My camera is just not focusing. There it goes. It is quartz, and like I said, most of their watches are quartz, but they do offer, I think, 2 different automatic options. They have the Monster Collection, and I think they have a few Runwell models that offer the automatic movement. I think it's a Sellita SW200-1 if I'm not mistaken, but we're talking about the Vinton here. I really like how this looks. 38 millimeters, so it's going to be modestly sized. For my wrist, it might be a little too small. I do have one 38 millimeter watch in the collection, so I'm looking forward to see what this looks like on my wrist. I actually do have a Kurono Tokyo coming in the mail. That one is a 37 millimeter, so this is going to be a good judge of size for my wrist. Right now I am wearing my Omega Seamaster Professional 300 meter. I think this is a 42 millimeter if I'm not mistaken. So it's going to be quite a big size difference when I get this one on the wrist. Does have that sapphire crystal. Doesn't appear to have AR coating. I'll have to take a look at that a little bit more. But yeah, this does have a push-pull crown, I think. Yep. There it is. And the case back is just a solid piece of stainless steel. Usually with the Runwell case backs, I really like Shinola's case backs. And with the Runwell specifically, it looks really nice. Let me go ahead and adjust this to make it look a little bit more visually appealing here. All right, there we go. Now, Shinola is a brand that actually got me back into watch collecting, which is why maybe I have a little bit of a soft spot in my heart for them. Basically, I was looking at a lot of watches before I got married, and I was looking at the Runwell. Decided not to get that one, but ever since then, they've always been on my mind and like a good value proposition, especially for something that's built or assembled in America. And then I won my fantasy football league, and I decided to buy the bronze Monster Shinola. And like I said, since then I have sold it off, and I actually bought the Yema Superman GMT. So if you haven't checked out that review, I'm gonna go ahead and post a link right there. But that's what I bought after I traded it in, and now I'm kind of itching to get back into a Shinola, or to have a Shinola in my collection, I should say. But this looks pretty good, not too bad. It has a signed crown. And then my camera wants to do its thing, but it has a cyan crown. It feels good. The links are solid. It has a nice milled clasp. And I think, let me see, yep, it does have that Shinola lightning bolt on the clasp as well. I want to say these are pin and collar links. If I read that correctly, maybe I saw a couple of reviews that had a pin and collar link system, but I'll, check that out more when I do the review. But yeah, I mean, for $400, not too bad of a value prop, especially with all the things that you get, the box, the record, and all that things. Especially if you're a Smokey Robinson fan. Yeah, I mean, $400 is nothing compared to the $950 asking price. I wouldn't pay the $950, but $400, yeah, it's a pretty decent price for a good-looking watch. The lugs actually seem really nice. They turn down quite a bit. It hangs straight down. Yeah, let's go ahead and put this on the wrist. What am I waiting for? Go ahead and take off the Omega Seamaster. I need to do a review on this one soon. I am liking this watch. So many good things to say about this watch. I can't take it off. I'm going to be wearing it tonight when I go out. But for right now, let's try on this Shinola. And here it is on my 7.5-inch wrist. 38 millimeters. Not too bad. It actually wears really good. I'm actually surprised on how well it's wearing. I'm going to have to take a couple measurements because I don't believe it's 38 millimeters. That Chrono Tokyo is 37, and I can't wait for that. I'm actually genuinely surprised right now. If you could see my face, which I would not recommend looking at it, I'm in shock, really, and that looks really good. I like that polished center links and the brushed end links. The case is nice and polished. I'm excited to get a full review done on this. Hopefully Nick doesn't want this back anytime soon. All right, well, that's the video. If you like this style of content, please drop a like below, subscribe, do all those things. And I'll catch you guys on the full review, and I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, later.